Welcome to Rapid Rates Club. There are people in this world who are not born extraordinary. They do not have perfect talent. They are not always the smartest in the room. Yet somehow they rise higher than everyone else. The question arises is in our mind, why? The answer lies in one powerful word, that is grit. The book Grit by Angela Duckworth teaches us that success is not only about talent, it is about passion, patience, consistency, and the courage to continue when life becomes difficult. This book changes the way we look at success. Angela Duckworth herself was once a school teacher. She noticed something surprising. The students with the highest IQ were not always the most successful ones. Sometimes average students achieve more because they kept working hard even when things became painful. That quality is called grit. Grit means having a long-term goal and refusing to give up on it. It means falling down again and again but still standing up. It means working in silence while others are sleeping. It means staying loyal to your dream when nobody believes in you. The book tells us that talent alone is dangerous if it is not supported by effort. A talented person who quits easily can lose everything. But an ordinary person with determination can reach unbelievable heights. Angela Duckworth says something very powerful. Effort counts twice, and that is very important idea. Talent may help you start something, but effort turns talent into skill, and effort again turns skill into achievement. Think about that deeply. A seed may be good, but without water and sunlight it dies. In the same way, talent without hard work slowly disappears. The book gives examples of athletes, soldiers, musicians, and successful people who achieved greatness not because life was easy for them, but because they kept moving forward when others stopped. One important lesson from this book is the power of consistency. Most people become excited for a few days and then quit. They start learning English, going to the gym, reading books, listening books, or building a business, but after some failures, they lose motivation. But people with grit are different. They continue even when motivation disappears. They understand that success is not built in one day. It is built through small efforts repeated every single day. A drop of water can't break a rock in one moment, but continuous drops over time can create holes in stone. That is the power of consistency. Another beautiful lesson in this book is about failure. Most people fear failure so much that they stop trying. But gritty people see failure as a teacher, not an enemy. Every mistake becomes a lesson, every rejection becomes a step forward, and every difficult moment becomes training for the future. The book reminds us that suffering is temporary, but quitting creates lifelong regret. Imagine a man climbing a mountain. The path is steep, his legs are tired, cold winds hit his face. Many people stop halfway and return home, but one person keeps climbing slowly, step by step, breath by breath, pain after pain, and finally he reaches the top. That is great. The book also talks about purpose. When your work has meaning, you become stronger. People who connect their goals with a greater purpose stay committed longer. A teacher who wants to change lives, a writer who wants to inspire hearts, a student who wants to support his family. These people continue even in hard times because their dream is bigger than their comfort. Angela Duckworth also explains the importance of hope. Not empty hope, not dreaming without action. Real hope. They believe that tomorrow can become better if you continue working today. Gritty people do not say, I can't do this. They say, I can't do this yet. The one small word yet changes everything. It transforms weakness into possibility, failure into learning, and struggle into growth. The book teaches parents and teachers something important too. Children should not only be praised for intelligence, they should be praised for effort, discipline, honesty, and persistence. Because when children learn to struggle bravely, they become mentally strong adults. One of the most emotional messages of this book is that greatness is hidden inside ordinary people. They do not need to be born special, they only need a dream strong enough to survive in difficult times. There will be nights when nobody supports you. There will be moments when success feels impossible. There will be failures that break your heart. But if you continue, if you remain faithful to your purpose, if you keep walking while others quit, then one day your hard work will speak louder than your fears. Grit is not just a book, it is a reminder that success belongs to those who refuse to surrender. The world often celebrates talent, but history only remembers perseverance. So, whenever life becomes difficult, remember this: slow progress is still progress, small steps still move you forward, and a determined heart can defeat impossible odds. So, keep learning, keep struggling, and keep believing, because sometimes the strongest people are not the most talented ones. They are simply the ones who never gave up. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you very much for listening. See you in the next video.